You're cooking mushrooms wrong, chorizo oil trick. Creamy, crunchy, smoky toast in 15 minutes. Let's make mushroom and butterbean toast that eats like a full meal. The creamy beans, earthy mushrooms, that salty, crispy chorizo. The pro move? Cook the mushrooms in the chorizo fat so everything tastes like it belongs together. Here's what I'm using for 2 big toasts. 100-degree chorizo, small diced 250-grain chestnut or cremini mushrooms. Sliced 1 400-grain tin of butter beans, drained and rinsed 2 cloves garlic. Minced 1 small shallot, finely diced 2 thick slices sourdough. 1 teaspoon fresh thyme, or half if dried. A splash of cream or veg stock. Optional parsley. Lemon olive oil, salt, pepper pan on medium. Chorizo in, no oil. 3 to 5 minutes until the edges are crisp and the pan's got that vivid red oil. Scoop the chorizo out, keep the fat right where it is. That's flavor. Heat goes to medium-high. Mushrooms in. Do not stir for 2 minutes. Then sauté another 3 to 4 until they're golden and softened. Drop the heat slightly. Add shallot, add garlic, add thyme. 2 minutes. Fragrant, not burnt. Beans go in. Toss to coat in that chorizo goodness. If it looks dry, a splash of stock or cream makes a light sauce that hugs the beans. Pepper for sure. Go easy on salt because chorizo already handled that. While that heats through, toast your sourdough. Brush with a little olive oil. Toast in a hot pan or under the broiler until the edges get char. That smoky edge makes a difference. Finish the pan. Half the crispy chorizo goes back in, plus chopped parsley. Pile it high on the toast. Top with the rest of the chorizo. Then a squeeze of lemon to cut the richness. That bite, creamy bean, meaty mushroom, crispy, salty chorizo. Elite. Quick upgrades. Posh it up with a poached egg. The yolk is sauce. Mash a few beans in the pan for extra creaminess. Throw in a handful of baby spinach at the end, just until wilted. Prep is about 10 minutes, cook is about 15. Serves 2, generously. It's weeknight easy brunch fancy and completely addictive. Save this for when you want big flavor with minimal effort. Now go get that toast crisp, and don't skip the lemon. You'll thank me later.